So we're back at it. Kontala, rap Johnny. I mean, I can't sing. So we are cooking biryani. Two chefs.
I only see one though.
Because it's Ramadan. But yeah, let's get it.
I'll show you how to actually cut really fast.
How anticlimactic would it be if you just cut your hands?
Yeah. Back to the head chef after long. I don't know why it took so long. But सबसे पहले तो अनियन को फुल डीप फ्राई टाइप किया है. अभी चिकन हम लोग बस पका रहे हैं. लेट्स सी. सपोज टू बी हाई हीट पे थोड़ा उसको पकाना है. नॉट ऑल द वे. लिटिल बिट. उसके पहले अभी ये पकने तक बोलते हैं कि दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फेज क्योंकि चिकन पक रहा है, इसके जूसेस आएंगे, हमारा ऑलरेडी जो प्याज है उसका टेस्ट, उसका जो टेस्ट है वो थोड़ा चिकन में लगेगा, जिंजर गार्लिक का टेस्ट आएगा, नमक ऑलरेडी डाला है, तो टमाटर अभी डालना नहीं है लेकिन हम लोग रेडी करके रखते हैं. आई थिंक दिस वे, आई डोंट नो, इट्स नॉट डूइंग जस्टिस इन कैमरा but it's looking pretty good to be honest. I'm gonna remove which one should I take? I think this is this one is a bit spicy. I'm gonna change it to the other one. It is done. अभी डालेंगे इसके अंदर हल्दी, हल्दी 1, हल्दी 1, धनिया you can always put more. I hope that is dhania. Does it look like dhania? Yes, it does. You know what? Let's just go all in. Okay. Do we have any other masalas? I don't think so. थोड़ा इस पे कम गैस पे पकाना वरना मसाले जल जाते बहुत. Guys, this is looking some good food now. What the heck is this? You know, I like this curd. I would rather not buy curd at any point of time if I don't get this one. So this is important. This is Greek style yogurt. So guys, I'm gonna make this one. I finish this one and then hand it over to him. He'll make the rice and everything, you know. Being the head chef, you don't always do everything. You do the main important stuff and then you let the sous chefs make the, you know, clean stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I'm personally here when I'm putting rice because हमेशा ये होता है कि मैं ये अच्छे से बना लेता हूँ मोस्टली, और प्रॉब्लम जब मैं उसको लेयरिंग करता हूँ तब वो एकदम ड्राई हो जाता है बिकॉज उसको ओवर कुक कर देता हूँ, वो पूरा जो ये होता है मसाला वो जल जाता है, उसकी वजह से द बिरयानी गोज टू शिट. दिस प्लेट शुड बी इनफ. ढाप दिया इसको आई थिंक 10 या 15 मिनट्स रखते हैं, बीच बीच में चेक करना क्योंकि वो जल जाएगा. इम्पोर्टेंट स्टफ, नेवर लेट इट बर्न. एक बार जल गया ना वो हो गया फिर, क्योंकि वो मसाला इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट इन बिरयानी. जब तुम उसके ऊपर चावल डालोगे और जब तुम इसे स्कूप करोगे, ऑल इट मैटर्स इज दैट यू सी मसाला. इफ यू डोंट सी मसाला एंड यू जस्ट सी राइस, डन ब्रो, सॉरी द बिरयानी इज रूइंड. सो मेक श्योर यू कीप वाचिंग. खुशबू आने लगी, चिकन भी पकने लगा, बिरयानी बन चुकी, बन भी रही. Shittiest thing I've done. Wait, no. You know what? I've got an idea. We have camera. You're singing. for some reason. Let's just do freestyle. Sounds good?
Yeah, just like the old days, isn't it?
What old days? I don't remember the old days.
The one when I used to write things.
What old days? What? I'll try, but we are not trained professionals, so guys.
Fuck, okay. Yeah. We're back making video, we're freestyling. Onions in the pan, now we're deep frying. Can't taste food, cause we're fasting. Cooking with my broski, now we're fighting. Damn. Yeah. I think now you should go, bro.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm feeling Rehan on the beat, he's a bitch.
Fuck.
Rehan on the beat, he's a bitch. Ain't doing shit, he's a switch. Sorry, yeah. Ain't doing shit, he's in switch. Rehan on the beat, he's a bitch. Ain't doing shit, let me switch. Put some garlic in the pan, now we're blowing up. Can't reach my height cause it's coming up.
Can't reach my height, now coming up, bro. I'm on the same height as you.
No, you're not. Look at it.
You try and impress, brother.
Yeah, that's gonna add 2 inches in it. Come on.
Fine.
Good one.
So now I'm taking the control, and this guy is gone. Even though I know how to cook biryani, I can cook pretty good. The thing was, I want to let him shine this time. Not really. It's just he was seeing the recipe while I was going outside and bringing some groceries and all the stuff which is needed. So that is why, till that time, he was getting done with viewing the recipe. इसमें पानी डाल दिया है. थोड़ा हाई पे ही रखेंगे क्योंकि चावल को इतना कुछ नहीं है. We'll need some oil. I have sunflower oil. थोड़े खड़े मसाले वो सब चाहिए रहेगा. हम लोग ये मसाले भी डालेंगे. I don't know how much is this visible, but हाँ. This तेल अभी हमने थोड़ा चावल तो डाल दिया इसमें. The funny part is the head chef fucked it up. That वो थोड़ा छोटा हो गया है. If you see this consistency, it is not the right thing to use. तो हम लोग change कर रहे हैं because we have more rice. तो हमने वो भिगाने का ऑप्शन निकाल दिया है. We have put in some of it, like half it. आधा किलो डाला है. This now the proper one will put in more half kgs. उसमें हमने डाला है तेज पत्ता बोलते हैं इसको. ये डाला है और बाकी खड़े मसाले वो सब डाला है. इलायची डाला है, तेल डाला है, नमक डाला है. First we boiled everything and then उसके बाद में rice डाला. Like I'm doing this now. I did add the biryani rice. I did add the biryani rice to the chicken masala. I'll just show you. कुछ है नहीं इसमें दिखाने जैसा भी because you won't see anything much. Anyway, that's it for the video. इतना कुछ नहीं है ना. I'm hell of tired right now. भूख बहुत लगी after seeing सुबह से. Some other thing is going on. I hope you like this video. It has been long since coming. I wasn't in the mood of recording anything for the past 2.5 months because I was working on something important. The head chef is not here right now because he's getting cranky and all. Maybe his mood swings. No, really, not really. But yeah, we both tired and all. Nothing much to do anyway. We just put an amazing photoshopped image on the thumbnail, and yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Do like, share and comment. Comment में अच्छा लिखो. Personally गाली देना, you can do that. Please don't put negative comments there because I don't, even though I won't care much. It's just कर दो यार अच्छा. It's good to have that repo when people are seeing it. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope I bring something good next time as well. There are some things planned. I have some videos which I wasn't able to record. So, and also I have some videos that are recorded but I can't put it out right now. Anyway, see you all in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Good content coming up soon. If I get more time, I would surely be consistent enough. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.